Okay, how to repair the big crack like that? So you see it's a very big crack. So first we should take it off and clean it and make the PVA to nothing to dust and stick on very well, and use the city one. But decorating filler is good, but city one is best and never crack again. So now I'll let you know how to do. So okay, we have another crack between two walls. So with this one also, it's same as skirting. And first we open it. So this one have to be open to material goes inside. Okay, with remove all the dust and rubbish from the corner, everything clean. So now we have to do PVA. I mix the water with the PVA to be a little bit soft, to going inside, and wall suck the PVA. So okay, and let it dry. When it's dry, you can fill it with the city one. Okay, so we do the PVA, should be going inside. Okay, so yesterday we made it the city one on this corner. Now it's strong and dry. So we start to paint it because this white city one is paintable. Okay,